Hello everybody, I'm the Yorkshire Gardener and this is the tour of my allotment and garden for this week. Today is the 3rd of May and it's been a very hectic week this week. I've been busy building my new shed, which I'm in at the moment, then you'll get to have a look around in a second. So yeah, let's take you on a tour of my allotment for this week and see how it's getting on and progressing. And as you can see, my tulips are looking fantastic, look at them. Beautiful, but they're starting to pass on now and go. But that's the extension to my shed, which we'll be seeing in a second. But yeah, and those are all alliums what are growing, so they'll look nice when they're out. For these, when the tulips have gone past, I have got one allium coming out already. This one on its own. The bees will love that once it's out. It's all about looking after the bees this year down on the plot. But yeah, no sign of my sweet peas what I planted here. Hopefully the squirrel didn't get them, but we'll see. But yeah, all my raspberry canes are growing well. They're my autumn raspberries. But I keep giving them a water every time. And my plum tree is full of leaves at the moment, and I've got absolutely loads of plums, but they're hiding at the moment. But I'll find some. There we go. That's the plums. And down here are my blueberry bushes. Look at all them blueberries what I'm going to be getting on here. It's only been in a year, so I'm pleased with how they're both doing. Look at them. So yeah, we'll see how they get on. In this bed we've got spring onion. They're popping through now. I planted them seeds straight into the ground to see how they get on. Usually I plant them in seed trays, but I try them in the ground first to see how they get on. And also I've got some more growing in this one, along with the weeds. You can see them popping through. There we go. But yeah, they're looking good. And my gladiolas are popping through. There. And down here we have my bamboo bush. That's looking great. It's not taking over too much. I'm just going to try and keep it smallish. It's just like a little feature that. And that's my little goji berry bush. I probably planted that in the wrong place. I need to move that, to be honest, but it's growing well, so we'll leave that as it is. Down this side is my rhubarb patch, my famous rhubarb patch. That's growing really well. I keep picking some of that and having crumbles. And my broad beans are finally popping through. Look at all them down this side. When they get a bit big, I'll put some netting down the side for them to fasten onto and hold on to. But yeah, my rhubarb's doing fantastic. And my fruit trees, look at them. Is everything early this year, or is it just me? Let me know in the comments what you think. Is everything growing too early? But yeah, everything seems to be doing well. Ooh, that's getting a bit funny. I'll have to keep an eye on that. Just noticed that. I'll have to read up on that. If you know any tips about that, what that is, let me know and what I can do. But yeah, these are doing fantastic, look at them. And then my pear trees. So we'll walk round here. My lemon balm is doing brilliant. Keep picking that to having hot water. Down here is my sweet pea bed. They're all doing well. I've weeded round here. I've left quite a few weeds in because there's carrots growing as well at the moment in there. So it's a fight between the carrots and the weeds. I might have to end up taking the carrots out just to weed it and plant something else in here, but we'll see. I didn't expect it to be as weedy as it is, so I might need something that's bigger so that I can weed round it. So we'll see how we get on with that. We have got carrots growing in trays as well, so yeah. So down this side is more rhubarb. These are my radish plants. They've taken now. I planted them last week. I didn't think they'd take, to be honest, but they've taken. So keeping them watered. No sign of my potatoes popping through along with all the bindweed. I'll keep pulling that up. Certainly is a bind. But yeah, they're doing well. Let's go down onto the plot. The strawberries are doing really well. I'm pleased with these. How they're getting on. They've certainly bushed out a lot. I keep watering them and the flowers are coming out on them now, so that is a good sign. I'll need to net them over soon to stop birds from eating the strawberries, because I don't want to share them with the birds. And they're doing really well as well. Look at them. They're all doing great. Down here is my garlic and my onions. They're doing good. Keep hoeing in between them, but it's going to be a hot week this week, so it's keeping stuff watered so that it doesn't dry out too much. And down there is the rest of my plot. I'm going to be doing that Wednesday, Thursday, getting all that cleared. So make sure you tune in next week to see how I get on with that. Remember to click the subscribe button so that you can see what happens next week. Down this side are my summer raspberries. They're doing well. They've got buds on them. And some spare strawberry plants, which I've left in down this side. So they're all doing great. I've plenty of room for putting all flowers down the side. That's the plan. It's all about attracting the bees and helping them. So yeah, doing brilliant. So let's go back into the greenhouse and have a look in there. Here we've got lots of flowers growing. Like I said, I'm going to be looking after the bees this year. That's the plan. My sweet corn. I have got some more sweet corn plants and some more planted because it's not all germinated, so I've got to sort that out. But down here we've got my cabbages and my cauliflowers and some lettuce. That's pick and come again lettuce. You can just keep snipping it off and more lettuce will grow. I've also planted this type of cauliflower and also black cauliflower as well, so they're new ones to me. My calendulas just dried out a bit and got a bit dead, but hopefully the summer will still take. I've got plenty growing, so I'm keeping them watered now. I didn't keep on top of that, so I've lost a few. I've got tomato plants to pot up. That'll be next week's job, so I'll come back and see all the tomato plants potted up. I've just got to put more shelving up because I'm running out of space. But yeah, my courgettes and squash are doing well. I've planted lots of them for my plot. And my sunflowers and red kale. Also all my leeks and geraniums, they're all doing brilliant. And carrots. I've got absolutely loads of stuff growing. Tomatoes, different varieties. I won't be growing them all, I'll just be growing a few of each. Pumpkins, they'll need potting up next week. But yeah, lots of runner beans, they're all doing really well. And yeah, those are all my melon plants that I potted up there, the cantaloupe and the watermelons. I've not grown watermelons before, that's a new one for me. So if you've grown watermelons in the UK, let me know below and let me know how you got on. But if not, stay tuned and see how I get on. But yeah, cucumbers need all potting up. We've just got to wait a few more weeks before we start potting stuff outside because there's still a chance of frost, so that needs to wait before we put anything outside. We don't want to get it killed by the frost. So this is my extension. As you can see, it's quite a big one. This is where I'm going to grow all my melons. But yeah, it's absolutely massive. I've used polytunnel skin to cover it and to keep it warm. So yeah, tune back and see how I get on. So thanks for watching this week's tour on my allotment and garden. Make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with how I'm getting on and all my tips and my advices and my blogs, everything. Check out the website link as well below. It's got lots of tips and advice of what you should be planting now and the other things, the other tips that you need to know and how to plant stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, click the notification bell as well and then you get notified when I post new videos, be the first to know. and the first to watch it. Thanks for watching this week's tour, and remember, as always, keep gardening.